Good evening, everyone. It definitely was a beautiful day across the board, pretty much exactly where we should be for this time of year. It's going to be a beautiful night as well, feeling rather, I would say, kind of cozy at 84 degrees right now. Feels like 82. We can think a little bit of that drier air and that easterly flow, making things just feel a touch cooler than what it actually is. As we head throughout the rest of the night, we're going to get into those 70s, even a little bit in the way of some 60s into the forecast. Right now, 84 in Monaghan, still rather warm in areas of Presidio, around 88 degrees with 75 degrees out into Hobbs. As we head throughout the rest of the night, we're going to have mostly clear skies, getting a little bit in the way of those 60s. I think will just be just a touch warmer than what our model is showing. Most of us are going to remain dry heading into our Sunday, have a little bit in the way of those kind of mostly sunny to partly cloudy conditions. But we're going to start seeing a little bit more influence of a cold front that's going to start making its way, bringing it a little bit more southward as we head into about late Monday into Tuesday. But it is rather going to be slow, and there is still a little bit of uncertainty with it. It's going to stall into near our neck of the woods, and with this, that's going to determine really who's going to get in the way of some cooler temperatures. I think north of the I-20 corridor has the better chances to at least see a good bit of those cooler temperatures and some of those rain chances as well, which I think right now the best rain opportunity is going to be around Wednesday. I think that's where that stationary front is going to slowly start shedding up shop. But overall, we're going to kind of get into a monsoonal pattern off into the west, where really they're going to have some of the best rain chances, especially as they need it out into near the Four Corners region. So we're just keeping an eye on this front, but I do still anticipate we're going to see a bit in the way of some rain chances. But overall, just keep up with the latest forecast updates of that. Right now, we have Tropical Storm Fernand right now, still expected to make its way up into the northward curve. Not really going to be much of a worry within Fernand, but we are keeping an eye a little bit on this system. Invest 99L, here's kind of what I'm tracking with it. It's going to push in from the east, go off into the west. Right now, it's going to expect to run into some unfavorable conditions as we head into about Tuesday. That could likely end up weakening development, but if we could still keep a little bit of a low pressure system here, that is going to be something that is going to have to be watched as we head into the next several days. High pressure is going to keep moving its way southward, and with that, I think that could potentially keep a little bit of a blockage within that tropical system as we head into the end of the week. But again, something to watch overall. So for tonight, 69 into Midland, 70 into Crane as we head in throughout the rest of your Sunday, going with the high between around 93 to 95 degrees, with 95 out into Midland, 95 in Monaghan's, 85 out into Fort Davis, with those rain chances as we head into the middle of the week with a high of 86 for Wednesday.
Thank you, Andy.